Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to our channel. If you're someone who lives in black outfits because it's chic, slimming, and timeless, you're not alone. But guess what? Fashion is evolving. In 2025, designers and stylists are embracing bold, rich, and surprisingly wearable alternatives that are taking over the black spot in our wardrobes. So today, we're revealing 5 trending colors that are replacing black. And trust me, you're gonna want to add these to your style rotation ASAP. Let's level up your fashion game, colorfully. One, navy blue, the polished power player. Sleek, versatile, and just as timeless, navy blue is taking the lead as black's most refined replacement. It carries the same depth and sophistication, but with a softer, more contemporary edge. In 2025, navy is all over high-end runways and power wardrobes, redefining elegance with a fresh twist. Style tip: embrace navy as your new neutral. Go for a monochrome navy look: navy trousers, a navy blazer, and a silk blouse underneath. Want contrast? Pair navy with bold colors like orange or lavender for a fresh take. Add white or gold accessories to elevate the whole vibe. Two, chocolate brown, the luxe statement maker. Rich, dimensional, and deeply sophisticated, chocolate brown is bringing warmth and luxury into the fashion scene. It's the perfect mix of cozy and classy, making it a favorite for everything from minimal street style to high-end ensembles. This shade feels premium without trying too hard, and it's quietly replacing black in key wardrobe staples. Style tip: try a head-to-toe chocolate brown ensemble for a refined monochrome look. If that's too bold, pair a chocolate blazer with cream trousers or camel skirts. Finish with gold jewelry and neutral heels for a timeless feel. Three, butter yellow, the soft confidence color. Subtle yet striking, butter yellow has emerged as a top-tier pastel this year. It brings a clean, radiant energy to any outfit and adds a touch of whimsy and calm confidence. This ultra-wearable tone is no longer just for spring. It's showing up year-round in minimalist and romantic looks alike. Style tip: create a soft and romantic look by pairing a butter yellow blouse with white denim or oatmeal trousers. Or go bold with head-to-toe butter yellow for a clean editorial feel. Add clear or nude heels and pearl accessories for an effortlessly fresh vibe. Four, olive green, the new urban neutral functional meets fashionable. Olive green is now more than just military-inspired. It's evolved into a sophisticated, grounded tone that seamlessly transitions from streetwear to elevated basics. As one of the most adaptable colors of the year, it's becoming the new foundation for bold yet wearable looks. Style tip: style an olive green jumpsuit or midi dress with black boots and a sleek belt for an elevated city look. Want a casual option? Pair olive cargos with a white tee and beige trench coat. Add chunky gold earrings for a fashion-forward edge. Five, red wine burgundy, the bold classic reinvented. Bold, rich, and undeniably elegant, red wine is redefining power dressing in 2025. It exudes confidence, strength, and timeless glamour. Designers are using it for both dramatic and minimalist aesthetics, from runway gowns to elevated casual wear. It's deep like black, but more expressive and luxurious. Style tip: embrace monochromatic styling by wearing red wine from head to toe. Alternatively, pair a red wine blouse with neutral tones like beige or gray to let the color stand out. Add silver accessories for a touch of glamour and polish. And there you have it, fashion lovers. 5 power-packed colors that are replacing black and giving us a fresh, elevated way to express our style in 2025. Which of these colors are you excited to wear? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest in fashion, styling, and confidence hacks. Until next time, stay stylish, stay you.